Hey guys, this is Shelby with the Rogers Public Library. So this week for Makerspace at your place, I want to show you guys how to make some cool devices called Popsicle stick bombs. So the first thing you need is these extra big popsicle sticks. They might have in the stores like craft sticks or tongue depressors, right? But we're gonna have some for you guys to pick up here at the library. For the first one, you only need 4, right? So basically, you're gonna make popsicle stick X like this. And then you're going to take this one and you're going to put it over like so. You're going to take this one like this. Okay. There we go. Right, so you started with the X, right? This one is kind of curved so that it's underneath this one and this one, but it's above the one in the middle. And the same way here, right? It's above this one and beneath the one in the middle, right? So what's happening is the popsicle sticks are kind of like they're pressing against each other, so they want to separate. But the way that they're pressed, right? The forces are balanced, right? So it's not moving too much this direction because it's pushing this direction at about the same strength, right? But it's also very delicate, right? So sometimes that happens. It just breaks apart by its own, which makes it fun. You can also throw it, if you're outside, you can throw it against like a tree or something. It's not going to hurt the tree. You shouldn't throw them at people, and you shouldn't throw them inside, right? That's just basic safety rules. The other one that you can make involves 6 sticks, right? So you have 3 that are parallel like this, and you are just gonna basically interweave them inside, right? So this popsicle stick, it's above the 2 on the sides and below the one in the middle. The next one is gonna be below the 2 on the sides and above the one in the middle. And this one is easier to do if you use a table edge. And then the last one is just, it's the same way that the first one is, right? It's gonna be a little finicky. Okay, so I gotta try again. And this one, it doesn't actually matter like how you alternate it, right? It's gonna be the same results no matter which you start with, right? Whether you start with a popsicle stick going above the middle popsicle stick or below the middle popsicle stick. Okay, there we go. So this one, same way, right? It's a Weaver hatch. It kind of looks like a hash mark, right? Like you see on a telephone dial pad, right? And like the other one, it's very delicate. Okay, yeah, so they're pretty fun. You can actually make popsicle stick bombs that are really, really big. There's one specific pattern called a Cobra Weave that can actually be like infinitely long, or at least as long as you can reasonably make it. But I'm not super good with that one. So these are the easy ones to do that you can start with, and then you can kind of build up and make more complicated ones. But yeah, that's what we have for you guys this week. I hope you had fun. I'll see you next time.